Hey guys, let's see how to set up this Tapo Smart Temperature and Humidity Monitor. This is the Tapo 315, and you just need to have the device, a hub, and the cell phone, okay? It doesn't work without a hub. I have here this hub from Tapo, which is the H200, but it also works with the H100 and H500. I'll leave the link here in the description, okay? So the first thing that I have to do is just check if you have a blinking LED just right here by the left side of the battery icon. I don't have it yet, so you just need to press and hold the button here on the left side so you can see an LED flashing there. So press and hold this button for 5 seconds. So let me just do this. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it starts flashing. You see, there is this LED here flashing. Then we are good to go. Now you come here to your cell phone and you use this Tapo app. You just come here to the App Store and look for Tapo. And then I'm going to use this TP-Link Tapo. I already have it here. If you don't, you just need to install and create your account for free. Then you come here to the plus signal and add device. From here, just look for sensors. There we go. That's the Tapo T315. I just select this one. And here's the hub. Okay, my Tapo H200. So I just select this one. The batteries are installed already. And the icon is blinking, so I'm good to go. Now I just wait for the hub to find the smart temperature sensor or monitor. There we go. Found it, it's connected, and then I just name the device and hit next. Select a location, next again, and select an icon, next again. Check firmware. It's good and it sounds good. All right, so now it's working already. You see here, it's measuring the temperature in Celsius, and here the humidity, and here's the name of the device and location, which is my office. So I can change here if I want. If I press once here, I can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Let me just press here once. There we go. And you can press twice, like double tap, to change the position as well. There we go. One more time. And swaps the position. Okay. So it's working right now. You can see here that there's this symbol that's linked to the Tapo app, and it's working. So you can come here to the app and see more details like the temperature, humidity. When you have more data, you're gonna see it then here by day, month, and even year, right? So back here, you see more information about the device here on settings. Basically you can change the icon, the name, location, temperature, unity, select the comfort zone. For example, here, if you want to have between 68 to 78 Fahrenheit, then you can have a reminder when it's out of the comfort zone, and it works pretty fine, okay? So you have more information here, operation mode, sensitivity, smart actions to connect with the other Tapo devices, and the user menu and tips, right? So super good. And also here, you see a smiley face that shows that the temperature and the humidity are in the comfort zone, all right? So hope that helps. That's basically the way you can set up this Tapo Smart Temperature and Humidity Monitor, the Tapo T315. I hope you like this video. Please leave your comments, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. See you in the next one.